everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I'm so excited to share with you these ZSHINE manual cordless roller shades. These have a modern look and cordless design which makes it safer for kids and pets. It's also really easy to install due to its clear instructions, so you don't need to be a pro to set them up. Compared to chain shades, these have smaller gaps on the side so less light leaks through, and the fabric is light filtering, which means it lets natural light in while still giving privacy and a softer look in the room. It comes in custom size and neutral colors to match most spaces, so please measure carefully before you buy. On top of that, the smooth gliding action feels really nice when pulling it up or down. It doesn't snag or feel cheap. It's well made. And since it's cordless, the look is neat and uncluttered, which is instantly makes the room feel more polished. Overall, it's stylish, safe, and easy to install. And that's my point of view.